Commodore entry invites you into the home. And spacious living room is a perfect place to relax and unwind. Enjoy dining with family and friends in this gorgeous dining room. Relax in this family room, which offers built-ins and an entertainment center, and enjoy views of the waterway. This wonderful gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight and has an eat-in breakfast area. Form and function blend perfectly with its wonderful design and use of space. The luxurious master suite opens to the pool area and showcases panoramic views of paradise. His and hers separate baths are lavishly appointed with custom cabinetry, marble countertops, and hers a whirlpool tub. This oversized patio with a custom designed pool is perfect for entertaining guests. A tropical paradise is created with this custom heated pool and spa overlooking the water. This estate home is located in world-famous Admirals Cove Golf and Waterfront Community, a gated community offering some of the finest amenities for the perfect lifestyle.